Hello, my name is Monica Bravo. I am an empowerment coach, yoga teacher, and breathwork facilitator. And today we're going to work on opening our hearts and moving our bodies so that we are prepared for the new year and this holiday season. So what I want you to do is first start on your hands and knees. And as a yoga teacher, I love to take the direct path some days to just shift and move energy. We can do this by connecting with our breath. So let's spread the fingers, reach the heart forward, and exhale, round your back. Inhale, heart forward, and exhale, round your back. Just like that. Inhale, heart forward. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, heart forward. Next time, tuck your toes. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, floating forward. Drop your knees, heart forward. Exhale, downward dog. Zipping your belly button to your spine. Good. Inhale, heart forward. Exhale, pull it back. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Taking 3 cycles of breath, spreading all 10 fingers, gripping the floor with your hand. Letting a big exhale out. But make the intention to let everything go. Let it all go for now. Good. When you're ready, let's bend the knees, hop or walk to the front of the mat. Spread your toes, bend your knees, pull yourself in, and you can sway side to side. Shaking your head no and yes, letting your hamstrings open, bend your knees more. Opening the mouth and letting the jaw go, letting it relax. And slowly coming up, rolling up, reaching up. Hands up, hands in front of your forehead, tapping the forehead. Just reminding yourself to be present. To your heart, remembering to have this gratitude for all of your life. Good, bring your big toes together. Let's bend the knees, touch the floor. Inhale, reach your arms up. Utkatasana, chair pose, sink yourself down. And exhale, bow forward. Into your flat back. Exhale, both feet back, plank. Now let's drop knees down, chest down. Inhale, open the heart. Exhale, downward dog. Breathe in, let's reach the right leg up towards the sky. And exhale, right foot forward. Coming straight up into crescent pose. Reach your arms up. Exhale, you're going to bend your knee, bring your elbows in. Inhale up. Exhale, bend. Inhale up. Exhale, bend. Inhale up. Exhale, hands down. You're going to bring your right foot back. You're going to spin onto the outer left toes, coming into side plank. Take 3 breaths. Good. Exhale, hands down. Now you choose knees down, chest down, or full chaturanga. Point your toes and downward dog. Good, so we're moving energy, staying with our breath. Left leg up. Left foot forward. Make sure your knee is over your ankle and Sweep your arms up. Nice long leg. Now bending the knee, making fists, pulling it all in. Inhale, look up. Exhale, pull it in. Inhale up. Exhale, pull it in. Bend your back knee. Inhale up. And exhale, hands down. So I like to have my feet wide, spin onto the outer right toes. Left arm up, side plank. 3 breaths here. Pulling belly button in. Very good. Left arm down. Looking forward, drop your knees down, chest down, or full chaturanga. And downward facing dog. And you can bounce a little bit here, shake it out. Find some joy in your downward dog. Good. All right, take a breath in. Bend your knees, exhale, hop or walk to the front. Inhale to your flat back. Exhale, bow. Bend your knees, chair pose. Good, now exhale, hands back, knee in. Inhale, rise up. You can also make fists, just like we were a moment ago. Exhale, right knee in. Feel your belly pull in. Left knee. Exhale, right knee pulls up and in. Left knee. Very good. Now right knee comes in. Put your palms together in front of your heart. Focus. And reach right leg back. Looking forward, forward, forward. Find your balance. Virabhadrasana 3. Good. Reach your arms out to the sides if that feels good. Focus. Good. Hands come to the floor. And then let your right foot come all the way to the back of the mat. Drop your back knee down. Reach your arms up. Right elbow taps the left thigh. And up. And tap. And up. And tap. And up. And tap. Slide the elbow down. Palms together. And spin your shoulder, your heart. Look over your shoulder. You can lift your back knee up. Tuck your toes if that feels right. 3 breaths. Focus. In and out. Very good. Exhale, hands down. Drop your back knee down. Straighten your front leg. Slide it forward. Reach your heart forward. And we're working our legs straight. So having books or blocks here would be great. 3 breaths. Focus on your breath. Very nice. Bend into your front knee. Lift your back knee up. Slide it forward. Take a breath in and out. Bend your knees. Chair pose. So let's bring right knee in. Reach it up. Left knee in. Reach. Right knee. And release. This time, left knee, palms in front of the heart. Find your focus here. Some of you may choose to stay here. Or reach that left leg back. Virabhadrasana 3. Reach your arms out to the sides. One more full breath. You're doing great. And hands down. And left foot to the back of the mat. Good. Make sure ankle is over your knee, arms up. Awesome. Left elbow taps right thigh. Staying with it, breath by breath. Exhale, tap. Inhale up. Exhale, tap. Inhale up. And exhale. Left elbow comes down, palms together. Push down through your elbow, look over your right shoulder. Good. If you'd like, you tuck your toes and you stretch through your back foot. Breathing in and out. Good. Exhaling, letting go, hands down. Drop your back knee. Straighten your front leg, slide it forward. Lift your heart forward. So we're opening the chest. We're taking the roundness out of the back. 3 breaths. Feeling your heart rate increase, enjoying that sensation. Good. Now we're going to kick that foot straight back and up. Reach your left hand out to the side. And left hand back. Grab the foot if it's there. Lift your knee up, up, up. Toes back. Open your chest. Breathing in and out. Belly button in. Heart forward. Look back for a moment. Good. Release. And left heel up. Kick it up. Look forward. Right hand to your heart. Out to the side. And possibly you grab your foot. Lift the knee up, up, up. Fingers back. Foot back. Looking over your right shoulder, opening the chest. Open the mouth, let everything go. Ah. Good, release that. Downward dog. Shake your head no. And yes. Good, bend your knees, look forward, hop or walk to the front, and sit on your bottom. We're gonna lie onto our back. Actually, let's do our boat pose first. Roll your shoulders up, back, and around. Feet, shins parallel to the floor, hands forward. Breathe 3 full breaths. If you'd like, you straighten the legs, you look up. Good, now we're coming to low boat to the shoulder blades. Look at your toes, breathe, breathe, breathe. And drop your feet, drop your hands, reach your hands overhead. Good, hug your knees into your chest. Now place your heels on the floor close to your bottom. You can touch your heels with your fingers, possibly rolling your shoulders under, and then lift your hips up. Good. Squeeze your knees towards one another, even though your ankles are hip distance. Lift your hips up, up, up. Looking straight up, bridge pose. Good. Reach your arms up now. And slowly, slowly ripple down. Let's bring the right ankle onto the left thigh. And pull your knee in. So you're threading the needle here, flexing both feet. Long, deep breaths. Good. Dropping the knees to the left. You're holding onto your right ankle with your left hand, now opening your heart, looking over your right shoulder. Long, deep breaths. Good, and slowly bringing it up. Placing the right heel down, left heel down, coming back up into your bridge pose, squeezing your glutes, pulling pelvic floor in, pushing your head into the floor. Long, deep breaths. Good, and then lower yourself down. Left ankle onto the right knee. Pull your knee in. Grabbing on here. Holding onto your thigh, flexing the feet, and then moving a little bit to the right, seeing if you find a new opening here in the glute, the piriformis. And then right hand onto your left ankle, left hand long. You drop your foot all the way towards the floor. Your shoulder may pop off the floor. You pull it down. You look at your left hand. Yep, there you go. Stretch it. Breathe in and out. Let out a big ah. Let it all go. Very good. As you're ready, you bring the knee back up. Place the feet on the floor. Bring the soles of the feet together for Supta Baddha Konasana. One hand on your heart, one hand on your belly.